In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent, and to access all wallpaper settings, click on this gear at the top left corner. Now you can either adjust this wallpaper thanks to all of those options, or you can hit presets over here, pick a different one, choose yes, and adjust its settings here. You can check out preview, and if you wish to check it out even more, click at the top right corner, check it out, and to go back to settings, click at the top left one again. Now when you're ready to apply it, you can click at the top right corner one more time, and this time bottom right corner. Then hit set as save wallpaper, choose yes, tap on set wallpaper and decide where by choosing one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!